In this video, we're going to look at how to clean up our code. In the past videos, you've seen how to actually assign your ports, which we have here, how to give your ports a name, and how to actually make your robot move. But when we're looking at this, this is really messy. If my code was a lot longer, which yours probably is, it starts to get very confusing on what's doing what. There are a few things we can do to clean up. First, we need to use something called white space, and we have to actually add text instead of readable code. So, white space. The computer, when it's reading this code, it doesn't care where anything is. I could technically do something like this and it would work just the same. I can go like this. So if I do this right here, the computer's just going to read it. It doesn't care. It's going to go, oh, task main start. Oh, you want your right motor and your left motor to go for that long, and then your right motor to go, but your left motor to stop for that long, and then end the program. It doesn't care. But when you're debugging, when you're looking at what the error is, this is very difficult, especially when your code gets longer. So we're going to use something called white space, and that basically means organizing the code in a way that you can read. Not the computer, but you. So we're going to start with task main, and everything under task main is going to happen. So I bring it down. Then I'm going to actually tell it what it's doing. And let me bring everything down again. And check this out, it actually did it for you when you had it all in a straight line. Because when I put it in, it was actually like this, if you remember. But then it's difficult to see the start bracket and the end bracket. I want to be able to go down here and see my opening and closing of my brackets. So, like it already did automatically, I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to actually use tab. Do not use space. I'm going to use tab. So now it's easy to see. The next thing I want to do is I want to actually separate what things are doing so that I can look at it and be like, oh, this is one set, this is another set. All I'm going to do is put a space. So now I know that this is doing one thing, this is doing another thing. Last, what I want to do is I want to put something in called commenting. There are two ways to comment your code. The generation already did automatically. Like if you look up here, you see how it's green. If anything is green, that means that the compiler or the computer doesn't actually read it. That's for you as the programmer. So there's two ways to do this. The first way, I'm going to put it right in here. I'm going to put backslash, backslash, and it already turned green. So I'm going to write move robot forward. First part of maze. So now I know that this is the first part of the maze, move forward. Now I'm going to go here, turn left, first turn in maze. So now I know if I can't get past that first turn, I just look here, oh, turn left, this is my problem. I don't have to look through the whole thing and count and see where things are. So those two things are very important when you're making your program. If you haven't done it already, make sure you do that now. And like I said before, there were actually two ways to comment things. The first way is useful if you only want to comment out one line, like we did here, move robot forward, first part of maze. That's only one line. What if I want to comment a whole bunch of stuff? Like if I want to explain exactly what this program does. Let me do that right now. So to start your comment, you put a backslash and then a star. You see how everything turned green? That's actually bad news because now the computer won't read any of my program. But let me finish writing my comment and then I'll show you how to restore your other stuff. So I started my comment. Now I'm going to write it. Now I want to close my comment. I go with star backslash. So now this right here is a whole comment. Now this honestly doesn't matter if you space it like this or not. It's whatever works for you. You could technically do this right here. It's the same thing. But here, this is all green. So whatever goes between this and this will be a comment. Everything else is not.